today I'm going to more of Harry, my mum and his mum. So yeah, we're going to the museum, I think. Hey guys! So we're going to the museum. We thought we were going to Club and Climb, but our parents booked the museum, so yeah. Hey guys, we're actually going to IMAX.
Yeah, we're not going to museums, we're going to museums.
Yeah, our parents lied to us.
We're
But
in
we're getting
Starbucks right now. We're both getting a fudge brownie hot chocolate.
that love.
I searched up how far am I from IMAX and it's a 38-minute walk.
38 minutes. And that's the way back as well.
Mellows on the top there.
Oh, okay. How many people worn this? I'm getting a soap brow kit.
Right, come on then, let's go and find out.
Soap brow. Hey guys, so we got some rags. I got pepperoni and you just got plain. It's weird. Margarita is like, pepperoni's way better than margarita. Hey guys, so we're on our way to iBounce. Yeah. We'll still want to get
Amelia might be coming tonight to my football match. So
yeah, and I'll film some of it.
She'll film me doing my, like, every time I score I do a knee slide. So yeah.
Yeah, I'll film everything.
Hopefully if you come.
Bye! Yeah, but we're only coming if my mum's not working.
And then you might come and see like your dad just takes you.
Yeah, my dad might take off.
So get water anyway.
We're going into Sainsbury's now to get a drink. I'm probably gonna get, I don't know.
I've already got water, so I don't need to get anything.
Yeah. I went to Sainsbury's. Yeah, from here for £1.50. Nothing. Everything's so expensive.
Yeah. You walking up to school, or you're gonna stay in the house?
Hey guys, so we got a slush puppy and we just bounced. No, I don't need a hoover. No, we can Hey guys!
I have to get a new slush because the other one just went really icy. Like,
yeah. So he got given a free drink and I've still got mine. I've got much left. But yeah, we're gonna go boot and then we're gonna go home. And then we're gonna
on the school run.
Yeah, but I can't go to Harry's game tomorrow because my mum's working and then my dad's asleep because he works at night, so aww. But I'm gonna go another time. Hey guys.
Sorry.
Yeah.